At Mid-Atlantic Deck and Fence, we have made backyard dreams come true for over 40 years. We specialize in the construction of all outdoor structures, including hardwood, vinyl, and ornamental aluminum fencing, to low-maintenance decks, screened porches, pagodas, and pergolas. Here at Mid-Atlantic, we help our customers customize the backyard of their dreams, beautifying their property and increasing the usable space and value of their home. In-house production techniques help us keep our costs down, meaning you pay less, while highly trained installation crews ensure quality workmanship in your design, whether wood, aluminum, steel, or low-maintenance composite. And if you're on the fence about your fence, come see different materials assembled at our showroom and make an informed decision. Because as a family-run business, we know the value of your time and money and understand how important it is to choose materials and a color scheme that you'll be happy with for years to come. No matter what vision you have for your backyard, Mid-Atlantic Deck and Fence can help bring it to life. Give us a call or request an estimate online today. And make sure to ask about our footer to finish commitment.